I thought I would do a flip through of my micro coconut sugar from the Foxy Fix. This was set up for Valentine's Day. So I have two paper clips up here. This one I made and this one was a gift. And then on the inside I have a pocket that I cut down to size from the Target dollar spot with a little quote sticker. This is my first dashboard. Most of these papers are from the Planner Society's kit. I believe it was a Valentine's Digital kit. There's an acetate from the Planner Society kit. This is the monthly view from Annie Plans Printables. There's the back of that dashboard. There's this dashboard. A piece of vellum from the Planner Society kit. This is a weekly insert from Annie Plans Printables. I think it's a Fox and Pip collab too. There's the back of that dashboard. And here's a piece of acetate from Hobby Lobby. Here is a doily that's kind of folded and made into a pocket folder. I saw Monica Marbles do this on her Facebook group, so I thought I would do it too because it turned out really cute. There's another dashboard, another piece of vellum from the Planner Society kit. This list printable is from Annie Plans Printables as well. There's the back. Oh, what is it stuck on? Got a little shaker back here. I forgot where this is from. My laminator got jammed and it messed this one up. Online purchases, another printable from Annie Plans Printables. And there's the back with a pin clip from the Planner Society kit. And this pen is from the Target dollar spot. And there's the back. And that's it for my Valentine's Day setup in my micro sugar coconut. Thanks for watching. Bye!